How to link Facebook to Bloodstrike. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to connect your game account, save progress, or log into mobile games with social media, let's say Facebook, then here's how you can easily link your Facebook account to Bloodstrike. So first of all, launch open the Bloodstrike game on your device and wait for it to load to the main screen. Also make sure you have a stable internet connection and then go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now go to the left hand side menu and look for Account and Notice and tap on it. Inside the Account Settings tab, look for the Link Account to option and choose the Facebook logo. Now, make sure you enter your Facebook account's credentials correctly in the login screen. Once you have the correct credential, you'll be asked to click on the Continue button after recognizing your profile. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to link Facebook with Bloodstrike. Now you have successfully linked Facebook to Bloodstrike. Your progress is safer and now you can log in anytime without starting over across devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.